Eduardo Calixto Consulting, ECC, is an expert consulting company that started in Germany since 2015, focused on providing consulting services, asset management software solutions, and training, in place and online, to different industries such as oil and gas, railway, aerospace, nuclear, military, mining, automotive, and power plants. Our services are based on our experts' experience over than 20 years in such industries by applying different solutions during the all-company's asset life cycle phases. Eduardo Calixto Consulting, ECC, strength lies in its ability to audit, assess, implement or improve artificial intelligence analysis for maintenance, asset management, asset integrity, safety, RAM, reliability, availability, maintainability, and LCC and ILS program based on best practices, methods analysis and forecasting across all stages and phases of the asset life cycle. ECC provides products such as Integrity Pro for asset management and asset integrity management, Aladdin, CMMS, solution for maintenance management, a rule for prognostic health management. ECC consulting support and teach our clients to achieve and maintain high performance based on effective reliability, maintenance, or safety programs implementation. The implementation steps are the following. Part 1. Opportunities and problem identification. Step 1. Client product, service, market, and necessities understanding. Step 2. Assessment of client level of maturity of program implementation and gaps mitigations. Part 2. Improving culture, awareness, and education. Step 3. General training about reliability, maintenance, or safety at all employee levels. Step 4. Technical reliability. Assessment for high product performance development, requirement definition, achievement, and deliverables. Part 3. Implementing reliability program as daily routine of organization. Step 5. Specific technical training, lifetime data analysis, RAM, FMEA, RCM, LCC, maintenance optimization, asset management, asset integrity management, AI for maintenance 4.0. Step 6. RAM's implementation procedures, preparation, concept, RAM plan, safety plan, RAM's requirement, RAM analysis, lifetime data analysis, FMEA, RCM, fracas. Functional safety, RISE key management. Part 4. Support program implementation and follow-up. Step 7. Coaching group of employees in daily activities or specific project. Welcome to ECC, Eduardo Calixto Consulting, ECC.